Today we're having a very important meeting with the key stakeholders. You know, Cape United belongs to the fans, and we're having our meeting. You can see all these fans who came, who withered the court weather to come and hear, so that we can all be aligned and we share the same vision. You could actually see after my presentation, all these fans, they are now sharing the same vision with the president. They now understand all those audios, videos which were coming out to say, no, the president, what he's saying is the right thing. We have to support, we have to stand with the coach. That is very key. But the biggest problem which I found out, which we are also going to share with our coach, is giving out information. Who is injured, the players who are injured, what is happening at the team, which all of us see happening even in Europe. We need to communicate. Some of these issues are issues of injuries, and people will be now left to speculate, to think that, no, maybe this player is not liked by the coach. There's this problem because of lack of communication. And they also cited out a said incident about when Wadi was brought in when he was injured due to the pressure. They also brought in another very important point to say, please go and talk to the coach, not to listen too much or to succumb to the pressure from the fans. He should stick to his team. He should stick to his philosophy, to his program. From now onwards, we are going to support him. They've also promised to say they are coming to the stadium with placards in solidarity with the coach and the entire system. Because we all agreed that our problem is scoring that goal is what is not coming in, but football is being played from the back, midfield, and everything is okay. So we need to work on that, and they are also very happy that today we brought in a psychologist to talk to our team, especially the strikers, to help them because they're losing confidence because of what is happening. So we are very happy. We are in sync. We can see all these fans here. They are very happy, these supporters. They are very happy. There are some videos which we have taken, and the issue of communication. That's why we said, before we get disasters at the stadium where the fans will start revolting, let's engage them. This is the importance of engagement. That's another takeaway. If you engage these fans, you sit down, you talk, you share, they see where you'll be coming from as you are making your own decisions as the president, as you are making your own decisions as the leader of the team. They now appreciate how we come up with some of these decisions. And we are very happy, and I'm happy that members of the fourth state have come to cover this, and they've come in your numbers. I'm very, very grateful, because our people should know what is happening out there. So those are some of the key takeaways. And we have finished our meeting now. We have got one or two things we now need to eat here, and then people go back home. We are happy. We are celebrating.